This mysterious medieval manuscript is heating imagination of numerous researchers during centuries. Known as the Voynich manuscript, was written in Vilnius, Grand Duchy of Lithuania, by Metropolitan of Kyiv and his monks during the winter 1417 to 18. The manuscript is not an alchemist book, but it contains medical receipts. Manuscript was addressed to one royal person in Central Europe. The language used is a mix of ancient Indo-European languages. Much more is in the book Mystery of Senzar, Voynich Manuscript Decoded, that you can find on Amazon. There is a story about creating the manuscript, people that influenced on that, historical roots and explanations of the content, and of course, few descripted pages and the alphabet. But to read the manuscript, you should know a few secrets.